Hello to all my friends out there, and thank you guys for the nice, sweet comments. I really appreciate it. And so what I want to do is I want to start cooking out of my stockpile. So, okay, if you remember the story, I baked this chicken breast. I ran into this lady in McDonald's, and we started talking about food and kids, you know. And she said, well, if you don't want to run out of food, buy chicken, rice, and beans. Okay, I'm not a big fan of beans, not really. But, you know, I'd say, okay, a couple times a month. And so, you know, I was doing the veggie days too. And I think you tend to eat more carbs. So I'm not a big fan of eating a lot of carbs either. I like to stay to meat, a small carb, and some vegetables. Okay, so what I did is at one point I bought some of these at one of the 99-cent stores or grocery outlet. I bought some of these and I put them in the stockpile for nights like tonight. So okay, I'm not going to be starving. This is some lemon chicken. I drizzle my chicken with oil and I sprinkle a lot of pepper, garlic salt, and lemon pepper on there. And you know, I just made this according to the directions. And then I have vegetables in my stockpile, all kinds. You don't want to run out of vegetables. That is not good. And so, okay, I have some canned spinach, and it's much tastier if you put some vinegar on it. Another thing is, it's very important to have acidic vegetables, you know, lemon in your tea. And so what I did was I just saved my iced tea, you know, in the refrigerator, and then, you know, it's dinner time. Okay, yummy time to eat. And let me show you my chicken. Okay, so this is, I just buy the lemon pepper, and then, you know, I knew it was done. You can use oregano. When we first started this, I think it was Italian seasoning we used. But you can use barbecue seasoning. And I'm pretty sure I bought this chicken breast for no more than 99 cents. That, a pound. That would be very unlike me if I did. That's delicious. Okay. Halloween is coming up. And I have this Betty Crocker Kids cookbook. And this is like, I have everything in the stockpile. So all I have to do is buy, I have popcorn. All I have to do is buy some mini marshmallows. But I want to show you one other thing. Okay, so let me show you the front of the cookbook. This is a great cookbook. I've made all kinds of stuff out of this cookbook. But let me show you what I wanted to show you. Look how cute. You know, when you see the setup that other people do, it can give you a lot of really great ideas. Look how cute. Not only that, this chili looks good. Alright, I gotta show you one or two more things. Real quick, you know, they have an easy recipe for caramel apples. Well, they have it if you want to microwave it. What's good about this cookbook is if you don't want your kids, you know, using the oven, these recipes can be made in the microwave. And then they have the cute little kids that came up with the recipe. And let me show you. Look how cute this is. Okay, you guys. God bless you all.